Every single day, you eat food. But have you ever stopped to think, what actually happens to that food once it enters your body? Inside you, there is a perfectly organized system, working every second, turning everything you eat into energy, repair, and life itself. And today, we are going to follow one simple but powerful food, the egg, and see exactly how it transforms inside your body. I may look simple on the outside, but inside me is a complete package of protein, vitamins, and nutrients your body understands instantly. The moment you take a bite, your body immediately begins a complex biological process that starts breaking food down even before it reaches your stomach. As I move down your esophagus, powerful muscle contractions called peristalsis gently guide me toward the next stage of digestion. Now I enter your stomach, where one of the most powerful chemical environments in your entire body begins breaking me apart. Strong acids and digestive enzymes start breaking my structure down into smaller components your body can actually use. Here, nutrients are sorted according to your body's needs. Some are stored for later, while others are immediately sent to tissues that need repair and energy. Even if you haven't exercised today, your muscles constantly experience tiny amounts of wear and tear. That's where amino acids become incredibly important. These amino acids provide the raw materials your body needs to repair muscle tissue, helping maintain strength, movement, and recovery. But muscle repair is only part of the story. Your cells also use amino acids to build thousands of proteins involved in nearly every biological process. Many of these proteins become enzymes and hormones, the molecules that help regulate digestion, metabolism, growth, and countless other functions. We've only followed the first half of the story. In part 2, you'll see how these nutrients travel to your brain, power your immune system, control hunger, and influence your energy throughout the day. If you're enjoying this journey inside the human body, take a second to support the video. Hit the like button, leave a comment telling me what surprised you the most, and subscribe for more episodes like this.